Hello everyone, David Lewis here, and I want to share something interesting with you. Did you know what the number one reason is why people call the dealership for information? It's not to get the best price. It's not to find out if there's cars available. It's not to see what the hours are of your dealership. It's to size you up. That's their goal, is to size you up, to see how you talk to them, how you interact with them. If they feel that you're going to apply them pressure over the phone, they're never going to come to the dealership because then they think you'll intensify that pressure when they come to the dealership. So when a caller calls your dealership next time, slow it down. Think about them and put yourself in their shoes. Don't ask them, how soon can you come to the dealership? When are you coming to the dealership? Your best price is when you get to the dealership. Answer their questions. Have a dialogue with them. Get information. Offer to send them a video of the car. Do something different and unique. And you know what? That customer will visit your dealership over someone else's. Because remember, if they called your dealership, it means they're calling someone else and they're sizing them up as well. Be the one that wins when it comes to the inbound phone call.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.